Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect this JBL Pulse 5 speaker to your computer. But first, don't forget to press on the button subscribe to see more useful content. So, first of all, we need to turn the power on the speaker. We go to the back part, find this button. We need to press on it once and wait till we hear the voice sound and till the lights will turn on. Great, now it's working. Usually it will automatically go into the pairing mode, but if it doesn't happen, you need to press this Bluetooth button one time and wait till the light will change its color and you hear the voice signal. Now we need to go to the settings on our computer. We need to find the Bluetooth parameter. We need to turn the power on. Then we need to find these devices and press Add Device. Then we need to press the Bluetooth and we need to find this JBL Pulse 5 on the list of the available devices. Then we tap on it and wait for it to be connected. Great, now as you can see, it is connected to our computer. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.